Hey y'all, welcome to the channel or welcome back. I am Xavier. Today we're gonna be watching The Weapons. This is a movie that came out like a month ago. That was August and it's now September. As new people really liked it. I've done my best to avoid spoilers. It's out earlier than expected. Let's not beat around the bush. We're just gonna go right into it. Let's get into it.
This is a true story. It happened right here in my town 2 years ago.
Cool.
A lot of people die in a lot of really weird ways in this story, but you're not going to find it in the news or anywhere like that, because the police and the top people in this town were like so embarrassed that they weren't able to solve it.
Yeah,
Everything all up.
I believe that part.
This story starts in my school. Maybrook Elementary is kindergarten through 5th grade. Her name was Justine Gandy, and on this day, she was going to her classroom just like every morning. Today was different. Today, none of her kids were there.
Okay, so we start off right. We started right out the bat. Right off the bat.
But Mrs. Gandy's room was totally empty. There was one boy there, and his name was Alex Lilly. And he was the only kid in the class of 18 that came to school that day.
So 17 missing.
And do you know why? At 2:17 in the morning, every other kid woke up, opened the front door, walked across the front yard and into the dark. And they never came back.
Never came back. Alrighty. Alright.
Take up your word for it's sweet.
Weapons. Cool.
All the parents and people at the school were really sad and upset.
As they should be, yeah?
They asked him if there was a plan, but he said if there was, he never heard it. They also talked to Miss Gandy a whole bunch, but she also didn't know anything. This is where the story really starts.
Oh, okay. God that you told us that.
What's important is that we don't judge our grief.
Is it like in chapters or something like that?
Why just her classroom? Why only hers? I want to hear from Justine Gandy. She's here. I want to know exactly what she was doing in there.
How is she supposed to answer that?
I know there's nothing I can say to make this better. The truth is that I want an answer just as bad as all of you. I know it's not.
She'll be locked up until she tells us what happened.
And she is hurting
You're either
just like all
negligent
of us.
or complicit.
That did not go well.
This feels like we're turning.
Oh, interesting cut. I don't mind it.
But bus ticket to see my brother. Do you need change
Yeah,
on you at
sorry.
all?
Two boilers. Alright.
No judgment.
Hello? Hello? Who is this?
You better watch your back because tonight's the night that
Are they coming after her? No. Okay.
Hello?
Okay.
Jesus fucking what? Who's there?
There's nobody out there. Oh, well, that's something.
For now, I think it's best if you keep some distance from this place.
I would like to speak with him.
We've had this conversation before. That's out of the question.
Yeah.
It's not professional.
She missed the bus. She lived close
It's
to me.
not
What?
appropriate. And for that reason, no, you cannot talk to Alex Lily.
We're the only ones left.
Don't do it. Don't do it, Justine.
Yes, really on there, huh? You know, teepee houses, ding-dong ditch. I never rubbed witch on a car before, but a buddy of mine smeared some of his own.
What? Smeared off some of his own what?
Hey.
Can we hug?
Yeah, of course we can hug. Jesus.
I hope you didn't drive here because...
Wait,
You've been drinking.
don't
That's why.
be an asshole, Paul.
I'm not being an
Come
asshole.
on, okay? I'm not drunk.
Okay, got it. I'm sorry. The whole town isn't aimed at you.
I think you might actually be wrong about that.
See, to get a little woe is me
Wow.
and a little
Wow.
paranoid. And one thing I know has never helped is this.
What is this? What?
The alcohol.
Does Donna know you're here?
No.
Have one real drink.
Justine, no.
Come on.
Justine,
Please.
no.
He had the drink with her. Yep. Of course.
What a load off. You're on it.
Right now, you really need to take it easy.
But she won't.
Suck my dick.
Justine? Oh man. This will not go well. Not a good idea. Someone's gonna catch her.
I explicitly told you not to interact with...
That's weird.
You followed him home. You rang his doorbell repeatedly.
Okay, why were his windows taped up? Doesn't that seem strange to you?
Only because nosy people take it upon themselves to walk up and peek through them.
She's right, it was weird. Watch your six. Watch your six.
You fucked him? Donna?
What, is he a recovering alcoholic or something? Alright. Weird, weird, weird. Okay, this is the dream I'm thinking. Yeah, very weird. Okay, that got me. That got me. Yikes!
Hey, hang on, please. I just want to make sure that everything's all right. Don't follow me! Hello? I know you're home!
Someone gonna come up to our window? Is it Alex is gonna come out? No. Yeah, somebody's gonna come to our window, but not like that. I didn't expect that. What? Okay. Alright, that's weird. So weird, so weird, so strange.
There's an order never got placed.
Shit. God damn it.
Well, but we asked for was the
All
wrong.
right, I fucked up. I'll take it back.
Yep. He's lost focus, but understandable, you know. Good reason.
What's happening with the canine units? I haven't heard about any canine reports in a long time.
That's because they don't report to you.
That's true.
Have you done any looking into her whatsoever? And I've found out a lot.
Okay, what have you found
The
out?
DUI 2 years ago, did you not see that? She was let go from her last school that she taught at for inappropriate behavior. Did you not see that?
With a member of the faculty.
We've been in there. There ain't nothing going on.
I don't see anything whatsoever that points to that woman. What do you see that I don't?
Yeah, what is it?
I see something that I don't understand at all.
Alright, the red paint. That's why he has the red paint. Yep, and they lingered on that red paint for a reason. To show us that, yeah, he's the one who did it. Okay, so we're seeing the story from different perspectives of different
Matthew.
characters. Alright.
Wait.
Okay. Is it back at their house? Is it like a loop? Alright. Who or what is in the bed? Ugh. Damn.
I'm sorry that I wasn't able to. That I wasn't able.
Save him? Or say something?
I wanted to say it so many times.
Uh,
I really do want to say it all the time because I feel it all the time. I love you so much. What the fuck?
yeah. What's with the clowns, man? What's with the clowns?
All things considered, just soldiering on.
We have to, don't we?
Yeah. True.
I wondered if you would mind letting me take a look at it. I don't need a copy or anything.
I'm not comfortable with that.
Fair, valid, you know.
Okay, I understand.
I get it. Is he gonna sneak in their house? Or, oh, he's gonna ask the dad?
Archer Graff, how you doing?
Hey, Justin, I don't remember his full name.
How's it going? I have a strange question I need to ask you.
It's kind of hard to watch this.
Okay, wait. Go back to where she steps on the side. Come on, what am I looking at?
Is it gonna be at Justine's house?
I think you have a lot to say.
You and every other person in this city.
Oh wait, I saw this scene. There's like a preview to show this scene.
You want to threaten me?
Nobody's threatening you right now.
You're barking up the wrong tree.
Oh!
Hotel's good though?
It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so I didn't see exactly that scene. It went. We see. What are you know? It went in after her in the store in the scene we saw the preview. But all right.
You tell my dad when you see him today that since I'll be back for the weekend, we can make their anniversary lunch. Thanks.
I'm not gonna drink, Donna. I feel fine. If I don't feel fine, then I'll hit a meeting.
Love you.
Love you.
Okay. All right. So he's recovering, and she forced him to have a drink. All right. I get why she was upset with him.
Donna's back Friday, so we're good to have lunch with you guys on Sunday.
No, thanks.
A lot of years.
You call me old?
No, sir. No.
Why would you call me old?
No, sir, I wasn't saying that.
I'm giving you shit.
Yeah, I figured.
Stop right there, police.
Ugh.
Dude, please stop. Shut up.
Anything in your pocket's gonna stick me when I put my hands in there, James.
No, sir, I do not. Fuck.
Ooh! Shouldn't have punched the guy, man.
The way I see it, I did you wrong, you did me wrong, but if I see you out here again, it's gonna be a different story. Yes?
Oh boy.
If that fucking citizen doesn't come back here in a month and file a complaint, this could all go away. Fuck!
Oh, so that's the workplace accident he was talking about. To Justine. From the hook to that, alright, great cut. I get that cut. Yeah, she's home. She's home.
Hello? Paul?
I was out.
Where?
Yeah.
Paul.
What did I tell you? Huh? What did I tell you? Where the fuck are you?
Oh no. What are you doing, Paul? What are you doing? It's not his fault that you messed up, man.
Fucking bullshit. Look at this shit. Please.
Oh, we're getting a James Cameron. Oh, I didn't expect this.
Again, I'm doing the thing, so we can start chilling again.
You're still on drugs, man.
Hey, man, I feel like I wasn't. These are good. Look, this is worth like $50.
No.
10. 5. Please, dude, please.
Yeah, he realizes it's stolen. Yeah, There's no way you will have access to this. Oh, James is gonna discover something. Yeah. He's gonna discover something.
Fuck! I'm sorry. You good?
No, obviously she's not. I would just go, man. I wouldn't take the chance, but you know, he's taking a chance. Alex is one of them too. Oh, it's all of them.
Sorry. Fuck. Sorry.
Go, man, go.
Fuck you.
Hmm.
20, 40, 60, 80, 100.
I'm calling about the $50,000 reward for information about the missing kids. No, I'm not. I'm completely serious. I mean, I can show you. Like, I'll show you. You know, this kind of freaked me out. I'm phobic.
Imagine James is the one who discovered it. Paul's gonna kill him, isn't he? Run, James, run!
Hell you, huh? What I tell you? What I tell you?
Dude, James! He's gonna die. Oh my god, oh my god. What's with the clowns, man?
That wasn't real. It's okay, you're okay. Wait, I know who those kids are.
Do you have AIDS?
Huh?
AIDS, asshole.
He doesn't know.
I don't think so. How do I know you aren't gonna try and, like, take that reward for yourself? Sir?
Are they gonna be normal? Don't go inside, Paul.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, thank you.
They got Paul. Yeah, they got Paul.
No, get the fuck off me! Get the fuck off me! Hey, help me! Someone please help me!
I'm telling you, Marcus, I've seen it myself. There's something very, very wrong going on inside of that house.
This way, ma'am.
Principal Miller and Gladys.
Thank you, Marge.
Yeah, I wouldn't trust this either, Marge.
Oh, no, it's not serious. Nothing terminal. It's just a touch of consumption.
Touch of consumption?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
I guess I don't really know what that means.
Yeah, same.
Something settlers got on the Oregon Trail. complaint, and unfortunately, I need to make contact with the child's legal guard.
As the parasitic cordyceps continue to feed off its body.
That's disgusting.
I am sorry to tell you this, sweetie, but I am on the verge of collapse. Could I please have some water?
I'm afraid that's
Of course, you can have some water.
Marcus, get her a glass.
A bowl, please.
A bowl?
So there's no need to contact the authorities, right?
That's, sure, I guess not.
I mean, you haven't contacted them yet, right?
Is that my ribbon? No, I haven't. What is this?
Magic? Some kind of blood magic thing?
God! Ah!
Marcus?
Is that where the blood came from? Jesus! Oh, this is why he's going after her.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I think I saw it from this angle.
Help me! Please!
Door locked? Oh no. Yeah, this is where I saw up to in the scene. Yeah. But, sorry. That's where I saw to the end of.
Get out of my store!
Fucking help me!
Oh!
I've never seen anything like that in my life.
I have.
When the kids were running.
What are you talking about?
The way he was running, I've seen that before. He was weaponized.
There it is.
Like a heat-seeking missile just locked onto you.
Oh my god.
So there must be something about this area.
Alex.
Yes. That's Alex's house.
Alex Lilly lives in this house. Who else can think of an example of a parasite?
Parasite! Right, that's where they were doing the thing about the ants and the whatever earlier on, the fungal bloom thing. See, I was thinking it, but I never said it because the lady did interrupt with the doorbell.
Stop it.
She's sick, and she doesn't have anywhere else to go.
Oh, she's actually their aunt. The aunt. He's gonna see her.
Doesn't look like she's getting much better.
Right, is this what?
She's gonna stay with us forever?
No.
Is she like using the kids to like improve our health or something?
Pencils down. Matthew!
What? You said pencils down.
Matthew, outside now.
It was a joke. Oh my god.
Damn shame, isn't it?
You miss your ride, son?
I'm okay.
Sure?
Mom? Dad? Where were you?
Hey, X-Man. How was school?
What's wrong? What's wrong with my parents?
Oh, nothing, sweetheart. They're just fine. Thought mac and cheese would.
Dad!
I want you to go upstairs, wash your face, brush your teeth, and then it's bedtime. No dinner for you. Alex, sit.
Oh boy.
I want you to promise that you will not tell a living soul that I am here or that your parents are resting like they are. Oh.
Ooh, the blood pricking thing for the cop earlier. Ah.
Now, when I tell you that you are not to speak about me or your parents to anyone, you understand what can happen if you break your promise. I can make them eat each other if I want to. Do I want to, Alex?
No, you don't want to.
Do you believe me?
I believe her.
You'll need to feed your parents. There's soup in the cabinet.
Right, that's why James found the soup. See, everything's connecting. Brilliant, 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 brilliant.
Come here, sweetie.
I would not want to go near her.
I'm very sick, Alex.
Oh, we can tell.
Would you like some water?
Well, water won't help me. Well, I was hoping your mom and dad would make me feel better, but it doesn't seem to be turning out so good. Hospital won't fix me.
The grave will fix you. Tell you that.
But maybe you could, though. You could help. Bring an object from each of your classmates home to me. That might work. If I got better, I'd go back home.
I see why Alex is doing what he's doing, because, you know, he's at what? 8, 9?
What are you doing in here? I didn't feel like playing, and I forgot something.
You ever want to talk to someone, you can always talk to me. Do you know that?
Yeah.
You can talk to me about anything you want.
That was smart by Alex though, because each of them would have drawn on the thing, so each of them is their own. Wise, smart kid.
What are you doing?
That was a great shot with her eyes, just looking the difference in her eyes. Wow. Yeah. Oh no, man.
I'm okay.
Now, we're going to ask you some questions about what happened in school, okay?
Detective, come in!
How are you today?
Fine.
Good to see you again. It's a little quiet today, right?
Yeah, see you.
Oh man.
Pack your things, Alex. We're leaving tomorrow.
Without them?
Don't step over the salt.
That's Paul.
You know him.
Yeah.
That don't look strange to you? I wouldn't go.
Hello?
Paul, what are you doing there?
Don't!
Wait.
Stay fucking back!
Okay. Damn. He's gonna jump over. You're going into her room. Where is she?
Matthew! No. Matthew!
Don't drop the gun! Oh no! Come on, Alex. You're the hero of this story.
That's the way. Oh no.
What the hell? This is crazy, man. When she's dead, it's gonna end. Gotta say, this sucks for Paul and James and Marcus though.
Oh, I found you.
Alex's parents are still being fed soup somewhere, but not by him. He moved to another town and lives with a different aunt. I heard that one is a nice lady.
I hope so.
All of the kids from his class got reunited with their parents.
I don't think they're ever the same again.
Some of them even started talking again this year.
Oh. So that was weapons. Wow. Did not expect that. I expected something like that, but not that, you know. So it was an interesting. It reminded me of A Song of Ice and Fire, where like the different chapters give you the different perspectives of the different characters, and you know, so that was interesting. It brought that memory back to me of reading like a song A Song of Ice and Fire books, so the case of Game of Thrones is based on, and it each and the all not all yeah, most of them melded to a point, and then they intersected and everything, because obviously it's one story but it's been told from different points of view, and so these things overlap, and I am very, very intrigued. Wow. Okay, so this discussion could be interesting. Let me see. All right, because what we have here is a thing where, so it's some kind of like blood magic kind of thing, and so you get the hair the person, use your own blood, put it in the water, whatever, and this and that, and you want to what did she do in that? I don't remember what she did. But anyway, it has something to do with breaking the stick or put in water or whatever. And you gain control of the person. And I think what she was doing, she was like trying to siphon off the life force of people to improve her life, because she is very sick. And so in order for her to heal herself, she has to take off something from the other people. And I think it was they said they didn't say how long ago it was that this happened and how soon it was since the kids started talking again. So I figure what happened with Matthew's parents is that because they were under the spell for so long, and they're older, so they're less able to bounce back. That's why they might not ever come back. Whereas like some of the kids, you said that they're talking again, so obviously it's just a thing where, oh, okay, they're able to bounce back and all of that. Oh wow, man, wow, just a mind melt to think about it. What are you trying to say here? Because what I get from it is just like the dad graph, Josh Brolin's character, he was like saying, "Oh, I didn't say I love you enough" and stuff like that, and we saw that his kid Matthew was kind of like a bully, and it's probably a case where he was like so focused on his business and everything, he didn't take enough time to care for his son, and that's a lesson he learned. But obviously, that's the bad way to learn a lesson, very harsh way. James, he was just like a drug addict, and just life. He needed help, and unfortunately, like he discovered what was happening, but unfortunately, he was in such a bad way that he got the money, immediately went to smoke, to just like get more drugs, and so that just messed him up. And boy, I tell you, and so that just ruined him being able to help the kids and save Paul and himself. Marcos, but I think Marcos by that point Marcos had already been got. So okay, but also now I see why she looked at the ribbon, because she realized, okay, all right, I need something to control him. So, ba boom, take the piece of this. Yeah. So sucks for Marcos. Like he didn't deserve that. Just like a nice little school administrator doing his job, trying to look out, care, looking out for Justine, and end up dead for no reason. James too. And Paul did some bad stuff, like the cheating on his, I'm assuming that's his wife, and also beating up James because he missed. Well, no, he didn't mess up because James had a naked needle thing. He didn't need to punch him. They was just like, come on, man, he didn't need to punch him. I understand. Oh, you reaching? Oh God, you get caught, and then you worry about like STDs or whatever, any kind of drugs, but not like any drug, like diseases and whatever. But you punching him, that's just like silly, and then that's how you got yourself caught up, and then like you got captured, and then that's how, and then Justine had to like kill you and stuff to save herself. But, I can't blame Justine for that because she did what she had to do. You were gonna kill her if you didn't, so it's what it is. But yeah, so so we got that James, Justine, Marcus, Archer. So Archer, yeah, like I said about Archer, and then like when his son is gone, he's like losing focus on his business stuff because his son is obviously more important than his business. Obviously, you need the business to take care of your son, but whatever you do, bam, bam, bam. But yeah, he didn't find the balance, and now one thing his life is gone, and he does that's the other thing out of whack, So yeah. But also, so Justine and Alex. Justine, she's like a caring teacher and everything, and like she didn't deserve the vitriol of the people, but I understand because they don't have any outlet for their frustration. Obviously, they're gonna focus on you because you and Alex are the only people involved in this incident who are safe. When you find out Alex is under a massive amount of distress. But yeah, her distress is from like, oh, she lost the truth in her class, and also like the people are just like attacking her, something that she had nothing to do with. She tried to help Alex, but obviously Alex can't trust her because Gladys will find out somehow. Trust me, I believe that. And then so Alex is like, trust me. I like you, Miss Grady, whatever her name is, last name is Justine, but no. And understand, and then she's just like in a spiral and she curses Paul. Unfortunately, but Paul was willing, so because Paul had the frustration of the issue with James early in the day, and then he doesn't like that his father-in-law is his boss, and so I will start to think this out. Now Alex is just under that so much stress, but he's a smart kid. He's paying attention. He was able to like get them to attack guys, and also he figured out oh, this is an easy way to get stuff from each of my classmates, because each person would have designed and colored their thing, so it is technically theirs, the name tags. So obviously, yeah, smart. That, and then but then his parents, that's like he lost his parents, and his parents were just trying to be good family, like family takes care of family. Gladys is family, and so she's sick, and obviously they didn't want to do it because obviously very few people willingly want to do this, but they're like, you know what, we are kind of iffy, but we're not sure, we're not too want to do this now. Blood is blood, because come true Gladys, and turn out to their detriment. So yeah, that sucks majorly for them. Yeah, just a whole. What is the message of this film? Is there a message, or just like a film about like? Is this like a? Is it the gun we saw? Is that the message of the film? Is this like a metaphor for like school shootings or stuff, where like the entire class is gone, and like Alex is a shooter, as a proxy of Gladys? Is it something like that? I don't know. I don't know, I might record some else, or I usually don't. But, I insert something if I think of something else. But yeah, it's a whole mess. But this is like a wonderfully well-made film. I love the various cuts that you see, like them hugging to them on the bed together, and like the cut with the door slam, and then to her getting out of the door and everything. Wonderfully crafted, well made, beautifully acted. Love the story. Enjoy the experience. Got a few scares. Enjoy the experience. I liked it. Yeah. So I'm glad I made this decision to do it, and those are my thoughts. What say you? Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. Goodbye.